Welcome to summer in Georgia, nature's favorite state. When I think of summer, I think of Georgia-grown sweet Vidalia onions. Today we're going to be doing a grilled stuffed Vidalia onion. I'm going to start by showing you how to hollow out the onion. Start by cutting off the root end. You don't want to go too deep because you want to leave that kind of intact. Then cut off the top. And then you want to peel that first layer of skin off the onion. Then I use an ice cream scoop because you can kind of contain it. And just round scoops out. And you want to just leave the outside wall. Obviously, the more onion you take out, the more filling you can get in. So if you don't want a lot of filling and you want more onion, go shallower. If you want lots of filling, core it out more. And you want to leave the bottom intact. You don't want to go all the way through, otherwise your filling will leak out on the grill. So we've got our onion hollowed out and it's ready for stuffing. We've got 2 cups of grilled Springer Mountain Farms chicken. We've got a can of tomatoes with green chilies, some cilantro, and some white American cheese. This is just like your Mexican cheese dip that you make for the Super Bowl. All right, once you've got that all mixed, we're going to fill our onions. So I've got 6 onions here, and depending on the size of your onions will depend how many your filling will make. So we're going to scoop that into the onions. And as you know, Vidalia onions are only grown in Georgia. Due to the soil in a certain number of counties in Georgia, by law, they are only allowed to be called Vidalia onions if they're grown in those counties. Okay, so these are ready to cook on the big green egg. And I've got a large cast iron griddle, which is perfectly perforated to let the smoke through and easy to take off when they're done. We're going to cook these for 45 minutes to an hour, just until the onions are tender. And we try and keep it about 350 degrees. Okay, so these have been on for about 45 minutes. They are bubbling and sizzling and ready to go. These will please your family and friends. Give them something different. And that's my recipe for chicken cheese dip stuffed Vidalia onions. So change up your next barbecue and cook some Vidalia onions.